Chris here with Fun Robotics Network. We're going to be interviewing our team here, 3883, the Data Bits. They've got one passive coral mechanism and a pretty cool deep climb here. We'll get right into it with Duncan and James here.
So this is our coral intake. We have a funnel right here, and we can load from 3 sides, and it just comes sliding down into here. And our passive rollers here will pick up the coral and bring it to either 2, 3, or 4. And once it, bring it down to 2. No, 2. So once it's in here and we place it and we're on the stick and we place, it'll just come off with little to no resistance. But it stays in there until we need to place it. Now we're gonna move on to our climb.
All right, so our climb mechanism is pretty unique. I haven't seen too many others like it, but we prepare by angling our intake back, and then we have this hook here, which will drive into the cage and then back so that it catches the edge of the cage right here. And then this thing down here will hold the bottom of the cage so it doesn't slide off. And then to do the actual climbing, we bring this whole mechanism down. And we got a little ratchet down there to stop any back drive.
So going through the design of this robot, how many different arm prototypes did you guys go through while making this?
I think there was something like 5 arm prototypes. A lot of them used motors, and then we realized that we can use this, as we saw from the Rust Hounds, I think it was. And we thought that looked really good, and we made the prototype and it worked real nice.
So you guys competed week 1, you made some changes for week 2. What were some of the bigger changes you made for this week 5 event?
The most important change is we moved this arm placement up just like an inch, I believe, and then also moved the wheels from between here to just back a little bit, which changes the pivot point on the coral when we're placing level 4, which takes it from working about 20% of the time to working 100% of the time. So that's gotten way better. Then the other major change is we only had 1 camera, like about here on a robot for Autoline, so we couldn't see the tags when we were actually real close. Now we've got 2, so that no matter which side we're aligning to, we can always see it, and then we can always see the tag when we're doing the actual super precise movement, so we're always accurate to a centimeter or so.
Well, this is one very bright colored robot here. Thanks for watching this Behind the Bumpers. Catch you on the next one.